In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase the quality of videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be doing my effects on an adjustment layer. Now the first effect I'm going to add is the VRD noise. And we're going to add an unsharp mask. And finally, we're going to add the sharpen effect. So after we're done doing that, we're going to move to the effect control panel and we're going to move to the VRD noise. Now we're going to reduce this to 0.03. That works best for me. And we're going to go to the unsharp mask. I'm going to select an amount and change it to 80. Also our radius to 0.8. We're going to leave the threshold at 0. And now for the sharpen, we're going to add about 8. So this works for me. Depending on the quality of the video, you're going to keep playing with the values till you reach the point where you feel like you're satisfied with the quality. But this applies to any type of video, music videos, or any type of video that you need a subtle amount of sharpening and denoise to increase the quality. So we can save this effect. We are going to click Ctrl A to select all the effects. We are going to right click and choose Save Preset. We are going to name it High Quality Effect. And we're going to click OK to save it. So now when we come to our presets tab, you can see our quality effect over here. And anytime we need it, we're just going to drag and put it on our clip or an adjustment layer and we're done. If you were able to watch this video to the end, I appreciate you a lot. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.